it to our delivery, guys. After that nasty blizzard. Oh, this guy passed me last night. It's about 3:30 in the morning right now. We're gonna unload here at the, I think it's the Reinhardt in Omaha. And this right here, guys, is actually where my brother got backed into while being in a dock about a week and a half ago. Destroyed his front end. I'll show you right now in a little bit. Great parking job, bud. Way to block everybody.
Okay, go.
Morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, yourself?
I made it.
I tried the door at like 3:30 and it was locked.
Yeah,
I don't
Gavin is on a timer,
Oh, okay.
so I don't know what time, 3:50 I think it opens.
I think that's what it was.
I didn't make it here at 3:50.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. The light turned green and it opened. They couldn't even clean the snow on the stairs, guys. Crazy. Starting to calm down a little bit out here. Oh, look at this guy. He's got his wheel locked up. Got door 13. Oh, right here. First door. Nice. Crazy, guys. I'm the only one here. There's no employees here. Besides the lady that checked me in. And hold the phone at the same time, guys. There we go. Gotta get both pallets. There we go. Beautiful. Hopefully y'all don't fall. Last pallet, guys. Last one. It's like 4 in the morning right now. Alright, time to start breaking this stuff down. So these 3 pallets right here, these brown boxes, they are supposed to be 5 high. They are all the same product, so these stay just the way they are. those right there are 4 high. Those stay like that. Those stay like that as well. The other ones that do need to get broken down is this bottom pallet. I got to take 2 layers off of that. And then this pallet right here, as you can see, you got one bucket that's blue, another bucket that's red, and then this white bucket. So you got 3 different products on one layer. I mean, 3 different products on one pallet. I gotta remove 2 products. All right, guys, so these stay the same. We don't have to move those. Time to go to Des Moines, Iowa. Made it out, Edwin, without anybody hitting me. Oh yeah, baby. Des Moines, Iowa, here we come. It's a little bit windy out, guys. I don't think it's as bad as yesterday, but for sure it's gonna be a little different of a ride because I'm only a quarter full of a trailer now, and yesterday I was full. We got 3 hours ahead of us, guys. Hopefully everything goes well. Look at this dude. He ain't got no jacket on, no hoodie. Bro, what kind of security are you, man? You gonna get... Man, you crazy. You crazy, bro. We're passing through downtown Omaha. Nice little cute town. I was gonna stop at the Sapros, guys, right here in Council Bluffs, Iowa, but well, I was going to stop at the restaurant that's there to pick up a freshly made egg and bacon sandwich with some fries, but I called them up and they open until 7 a.m. so we're not gonna be stopping there anymore. We're just gonna head straight to Des Moines, Iowa. Looks slick, guys. Wish me luck. Back into Iowa. Till next time, beautiful Council Bluffs, Iowa. I love coming here, guys. It reminds me of when I would go out to California. That Peterbilt here in Council Bluffs is a really badass Peterbilt, guys. If you guys haven't been to, I highly recommend y'all come and stop. They've got a lot of accessories for the trucks, lights, they've got DCPs, they've got a whole bunch of stuff, even Sapros, guys, and that blue beacon, amazing. Love this bridge too. Slow and steady. Really, really windy, guys. Nasty outside. We're going about 45 miles an hour trailer started to lift up, and I noticed like the truck tugging. And well, I noticed the trailer tugging, and I felt it. And I looked at my rearview mirror, and next thing you know, my trailer is like on its side, like this. So I quickly slammed on my brakes, and it just brought the trailer right back down. Luckily, it didn't take me. But that day, there was like two fifth wheel campers that actually were on their side from the wind. A truck went in the ditch. Last night. It must have broke down, man. Yeah, that truck was there last night when I passed through here. Another 2 cars in the shoulder, guys. So we got another truck on the shoulder. 2 trucks. Oh no, it's only one. Truck in the ditch. Can't tell if it's a truck or a pickup. No, it's a semi. Well, there's a car buried over there. Yeah, that's a truck. Does he not have a trailer? Oh no, he doesn't. Guys, I feel so bad that I can't stop and help them. I mean, for example, like that truck that was right here on the left shoulder. I mean, I don't know. I could have stopped in front of them, but the thing is that I'm risking my life and I'm risking my equipment to get blown out. If someone passes and doesn't really see that we're on the hammer lane, on my way when I was getting closer to that truck that was on the left shoulder, from afar I thought he was on the right, but as I got closer I could see that he was getting closer on my left side. So I just moved over to my right, and yeah, sure enough, he was on the left side. But it looked like it had just happened because the lights were on inside and he had all his lights on as well. But like I said, I mean, I wish I could stop and help, but I don't want to risk it. I also have, you know, family at home that's waiting for me to get home. But I'm sure someone called the cops, I'm sure. And here we have another accident. Oh no. Got another accident right here. Oh, there's actually a wrecker at this one. Oh no, there's 2 trucks. There's one over here to the right and one over here. Oh man. Oh, this one's a box truck and that thing is steep. Oh man. That is so dangerous. Be safe, brother. It's literally an ice rink, guys. It's bad. Super, super bad. Another truck guys, in the ditch. Wow. That's crazy. There's this cop with the Durango, and he did not stop with that car that was right on the shoulder. And they had just like went into the shoulder, it seemed like. Looks like they've got a clusterfuck over there. Another truck in the ditch. The damn highway. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's getting nastier out here, guys. They just shut the highway too, so we'll see if I can even make it to my destination. It's nasty. All these trucks got out on the exit, and they're on the ramp. Chaos here. Truck stops are packed, guys. I can't even get into anyone because there's too many trucks, and there's some trucks that are actually stuck as well. It's a shit show, I swear, guys. It's a shit show out here. It's ridiculous. So right now I just pulled into the exit because I try to go around the way you're supposed to. And yeah, there's about 10 trucks back there trying to get into the fuel islands, and it looks like there's 2 that are stuck right behind those trucks right there. So I pulled in here and backed up, and I'm gonna park over here along the side of the street so that way I could go get something to eat quick and keep on going. Another truck. Looks like we got a truck headed westbound that, yeah, can't get up anymore. They're stuck. Right in the middle of the highway. Oh gosh. Rolls. Oh no. That's westbound, guys. In Iowa. Looks like a truck crashed right here. Well guys, I just got my paperwork from my last load of today. Oh man, since last night it's just been crazy wild, guys, with that storm, that blizzard out in Nebraska and Iowa. Up until this morning, guys, oh man, it was crazy. And the whole day, it's been literally the whole day. The wind, the blizzard, it's been the whole night, the whole day. It's been crazy, guys. I literally had to drive yesterday in it, and I went to sleep. I woke up at 3 in the morning, went to do my delivery first in Omaha, Nebraska, did the lumper there, then drove, which was supposed to be 2 hours and 20 minutes, to Ankeny, Iowa, to my second drop. That turned into 5 hours because I was rolling 30 to 40 miles an hour the whole way there, guys. Y'all seen the videos, y'all seen the clips that I posted in this video of all the trucks, all the cars that were in the ditch. It was terrible, guys. It was really bad. And this morning it was the exact same way, guys, as you can tell with those videos. It's been a really long day. I've been going at it since 3 in the morning. It right now is, I guess my thing is dead. It's 10:12 p.m. guys. 10 at night, and I just delivered my last load for today. So I went from Omaha, Nebraska to Ankeny, Iowa. It took me 5 hours to get there. Then from Ankeny, Iowa, I went over to Cedar Rapids to my last drop on that load, because that load had one pick 3 drop. So I did my last delivery in Cedar Rapids. I did the lumper there. I unloaded it myself. Was in and out 20-30 minutes. And then from there, I deadheaded to my pickup. Picked up there and brought it straight up here to Minneapolis. Just dropped it off right now. I just got my paperwork, and now we can finally go home, guys. Thank God we made it back home safe. Well, we're trying to bring this W9 back to life, and we've got 1 truck, 2 trucks, and a charger, and it does not want to fire up. It's super, super heavy. I'm actually going to be taking it to the mechanic, guys. Alternator on it. Yesterday, guys, I was completely out of it because I was running on literally like 24 hours of no sleep. It was literally through all that chaos from Omaha all the way up to Minnesota with the wind and the nasty blizzard that there was. So yeah, I was just out of it. But yeah, I just swapped the alternator on the W900. We're gonna fire it up here in a little bit once it charges up, and then we're gonna take it to the shop, drop it off, and get the motor looked over and see what it's gonna need. And I think it's gonna need an overhaul. But yeah, guys, it's time to get the W9 back on the road.